How to fix iPhone clicking itself on things on screen even though I'm not clicking on. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if your iPhone registers touches on the screen even if you're not touching it, here's how you can fix it. So the first step would be to simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can help resolve minor software glitches. So go ahead and press and hold the power button and slide to power off button, wait a few seconds and then turn it back again. Now the next step would be to open settings application in your mobile device. From here tap on general. Now from here go ahead and tap on software updates. Now make sure you're on the latest iOS version. iPhone often fixes bugs and touch issues with software updates. Now once it is done, scroll below again and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Now once you do that, the next step would be to simply clean the screen. Sometimes dirt, debris or moisture can cause unintended touches. So go ahead and use a microfiber cloth to clean the screen. Adding on to that, remove the case or screen protector. If you are using a case or screen protector, try removing them temporarily as sometimes these accessories can interfere with the touch screens. And with that, your problem will definitely get fixed. And that is it for today's video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.